The phrasal verb run out means to use up or finish all of a supply or resource. It describes when something becomes completely empty or finished. For example, when your coffee is gone or your milk is finished, you say you have run out. Here are common examples of run out. We have run out of coffee means no coffee is left in the house. I ran out of milk this morning means all the milk was used up. The printer ran out of paper means no paper remains in the printer. Run out has several synonyms or similar expressions. Use up means to completely finish something. Run low means almost no more is left. Be out of means none remains available. These all express the same basic idea of something being finished. Here are additional common examples. We are running out of time means very little time remains. I ran out of gas means the car had no fuel left. The store ran out of bread means no bread was available to buy. Run out follows two main grammar patterns. Pattern 1 is run out of noun, like run out of milk. Pattern 2 is run out plus noun, like time runs out. Both patterns are correct English usage. Run out works in different tenses. Present simple is I run out of money every month. Past simple is we ran out of food yesterday. Present perfect is they have run out of ideas. More tenses for run out. Future simple is we will run out of water soon. Past perfect is they had run out before we arrived. Future perfect is we will have run out by tomorrow. Practice using run out. Fill in the blank, we blank out of milk. Answer is ran. Choose the correct word, the car blank out of gas. Answer is ran. Make a sentence, running out of time. Answer is we are running out of time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.